Okay, so today we do on 2.5 application set. Example, a fitness for life health club considered as addition cardiovascular equipment. It is considering two type of equipment. Treadmill we can call T, and Stairmaster we can call M. The health clubs surveyed the sample for 50 member and asked for the equipment they had used the previous month. So the result are the following months. So we have 34 treadmill, which was with the treadmill we call a T, right? And then 29 Stairmaster we call the M. So right now I have to draw the contractor diagram first. Um, so this one for the diagram. So we have treadmill, we have M. So 18 use on both. So 18 and then 29 for the stem master, but the stem master, this one right here, in here, they have 18s already. So we get 29 minus 18. So we have 11 people left. And then 34 use the treadmill. So we have the treadmill right here, but we already have 18. So whatever do we have in here? So we have 34 minus 18. So 34 minus 18 as is 16. 16, but they give us the example for 50 member. So we can add all this up, and then this one we subtract the sum of all this number, whatever we have left, that is the one they the member they do not use it for any equipment. So that's the 5 member. So so remember, when the draw vendor one, we generate the star of the intersection of the set and the workout word. So use the Venn diagram above, use the answer all the questions. So how many using treadmill but not master? Remember, treadmill but not master. So it means what? Whatever the one they use with the master is not in master, right? So it means what? Complement. So this one I can say is the treadmill intersect with the complement of Stairmaster with the S, right? So this one should be as 16. So they use this and they use this, but complement of master, not the S, master. So M, M. So we have complement of M, but not many, but not. So how many use actually is not intersect. This one should be union because R, even RT or R non M. So they focus on this one. So this means it's 16 people. So for B, how many use either treadmill or the stairmaster? So what does this mean? The treadmill or it means the union and the stairmaster. So we have all this one. We add them up together. All this. Either all treadmill or Stairmaster. So we have, let me add them up, 16 plus 18 plus 11. So this one is 45. So how many did not either you treadmill or the master? What does that mean? So treadmill or master. So so this one they did not use. So this one a complement. So this one is 5. So remember, and this mean intersect, and or that mean unions. So make sure and mean intersect. And let me highlight this one, or it mean union. Okay. So remember, not it mean complement. Okay. So that's just 3 symbol word right there, or 3 phrase right there. We can see at 3 phrase right there. We can see for it. So we go with second example, the sample 2, the ice cream shop surveys the customer about their reference the 3 ice cream flavor, 3 of them. So the result is shown right here. So they have a vanilla, they have a chocolate, they have a strawberry. So we have to draw the diagram for this. So, oh, right here. So they say lightly on 3 flavor. So we know that intersect for, we have to draw intersect for 3 circle. So okay, so we have this one is we call vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. And make sure don't forget this one is the union. Always. So we have 35, 35 like 3 flavor. So we have 35 people. So let me see that 35. So they are U3 flavors. So now we have 52 like chocolate and strawberry. So chocolate and strawberry 52. So we have a chocolate and strawberry, right? So whatever we have in here, but 52 already 52 people, but we have 35. We use 35 already. So 52 minus 35. So we have 17. And for 74 people like vanilla and a strawberry. So vanilla and a strawberry. So we have already 35 people that use this already. So 74 minus 35. So we have 39. Okay, so 39. And also we have 100 like vanilla and chocolate. So vanilla's right here and a chocolate right here. So already 35 people they like we use already. So how many we have left? So we have left right here. So this one is 65. So Now we have 103 people like strawberry. This one strawberry, but we have 39, 34, and 17 already like the strawberry. So we get 103 minus for the total of three of this. So we have a 12. And now 35, they like chocolate. So 35 in the chocolates right here. I know 135 we already, so we get 135 minus 65, 35 and 17. So we have 18 people, they like chocolates only. Check mark. How about for vanilla? We have 170 people like the vanilla's right here. So we get 170 minus 39 minus 35 minus 65, and we have 31 left. And then in here, remember, 7 people, they did not like any of these 3 flavor. So 7 people. So we use a diagram. So how many people complete the survey? How many people complete the surveys? So we add all these numbers up because this one is total sample people they do the surveys. So after we add all that up, we got 224. So 224 total people complete the surveys. And for B, how many people realize only strawberry? So remember, strawberry here, but only strawberry. So what we have? We have 12 left. So we have 12 left. And then for C, how many people like vanilla and chocolate, but not strawberry? So vanilla and chocolate, but not strawberry. So we have right here. So they have 35 people they love on all 3 of that. So we have only left is what? 65 people. So 65. So now for D, how many people like vanilla or chocolate, but not strawberry? Remember, but not strawberry. So we can write out vanilla or chocolate, but not strawberry. Intersect strawberry. Remember the bar right here? That's condiment. So we have what? But not strawberry. So we have vanilla, strawberry, and the person they do not like right here. So we have what? We have this one, and this one. So we have 31 plus 65 plus 18. So we have 114 people they like the flavor. So so how many people they like only one flavor? Either they like vanillas only, they like chocolates only, or they like strawberry only. So this one 31, 18, and 12. So only, okay, only. So we have so 18. So 18, that's one for vanilla, plus 12 for strawberry, and plus 31 for chocolate. So the total of people is 61. We can add it up. So that should be 61. They are like one flavor. Okay. So this one is number 3. So this one is number 3. So now we have number 3. A survey of 350 customer has taken Rio Cinemas in Austin, Texas, regarding the type of the movie, customer like, and following information determined. So we have drama, comedy, science fiction. So we have 3. So the people are like 3 movies. So we have to draw the diagram for this. So we have 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle. Okay, so we have what? Drama, comedies, and science fiction. So 21 people that like are 3 of them. 21. Okay. And 30 like the communists and science fiction. So communists and science fiction, so 32. But we have our 21s already. So 32 minus 21. So we have 11. So and 37 drama and science fiction. So drama and science fiction, but we already used this 21. So 37 minus 21, we have 16. And 59 like drama and a communist. So drama and communist. So we have already used 21. So this one is drama. So we already used 21. So 59 minus 21. So we got 38. Now they like 88. They like science fiction. So 88 already. So 88 minus 16 minus 21 minus 11. So we have 40 people that lie in science and science fictions. Um, and then 153 like the communists. 153 minus 11 minus 21 minus 38. So we have 83. And then so 196 like drama already. So 196 minus 16 minus 21 minus 38. So we got 121. And now for the universe, so how many people they don't like either of those? So we have 350. So 350 minus this number 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 minus this number. We have left as 20 people they don't like either of them. So how many like none of this movie. So 20. So how many they like only drama? Only drama. Remember drama right here? But only drama. That means this one. Only drama. So that's one at 121. So how many exact like two of this movie? Exact like two of this movie. So exact, so the have this two of this movie, right? Right here. 38, 16, 11. So we have 38 plus 16 plus 11. So this one is 65 people they like. Exactly one. So how many drama or communists? So D union C. So how many they like communists and drama and communists. So we add all this one up, right? Add all this one up. So this. Okay. So we add all of them up. So that's going to 290. Remember, R is when this one is the unions, okay? So that's all we have. So thank you very much.